Welcome to our exploration of three-dimensional asset and model libraries. These are essential resources that help designers and creators speed up their workflow by providing pre-built models, textures, and materials. Whether you're working on game development, animation, architecture, or visual effects, having access to quality 3D assets can save you hours of manual modeling work. In this video, we'll walk through the top libraries available today, covering free options, professional platforms, and specialized tools designed for specific needs. Throughout this video, we're going to examine four main categories of 3D resources. First, we'll look at free libraries that offer open-source and community-driven collections. Second, we'll explore professional platforms that provide industry-standard assets with licensing options. Third, we'll examine specialized tools that are purpose-built for creating or generating specific types of 3D content. And finally, we'll provide a comparison guide to help you understand the pros, cons, and best use cases for each resource, so you can choose what works best for your projects. A 3D asset library is essentially a central collection of ready-to-use three-dimensional content that you can download and drop directly into your projects. These libraries contain pre-built models, materials with realistic surface properties, and textures that are already optimized for various software and game engines. The primary benefit is speed. Instead of spending days or weeks modeling a chair, a building, or a character from scratch, you can find it in a library and integrate it into your scene immediately. Asset libraries are typically organized by style, category, and licensing terms, so you can easily find exactly what you need for your specific project requirements. Let's start with free options that are perfect for beginners and budget-conscious creators. Sketchfab Store offers millions of models with Creative Commons Zero licensing, meaning you can use them freely in your projects. Polyhaven provides not just models, but also photorealistic materials and HDRI environments, which are essential for realistic lighting in 3D scenes. Free 3D offers a curated collection of models across various categories. These free platforms are excellent for prototyping, learning, and building personal projects. Keep in mind that free assets can vary in quality, so always check the license terms and quality before using them in commercial work. When you're ready to invest in higher quality assets, premium platforms offer professional-grade collections. TurboSquid is the industry's standard marketplace for 3D models, trusted by studios and professionals worldwide. CGTrader specializes in game and film assets with extensive collections from independent creators and studios. Unity Asset Store is optimized for game developers using the Unity engine, offering packs and individual assets tailored to game development workflows. Premium platforms typically offer better quality control, higher resolution models, and comprehensive licensing options. Prices range from a few dollars per asset to several $100s for complete libraries, but the investment pays off when you're delivering professional quality work. Beyond general asset libraries, specialized tools focus on specific types of content. Quixel Megascans provides photorealistic scans of real-world objects, surfaces, and environments captured using advanced photogrammetry techniques. Mixamo specializes in rigged and animated human and creature characters, saving you the complex work of rigging and animation. Polyhaven extends beyond models to offer HDRI environments and skies that are crucial for realistic 3D rendering and lighting. These specialized platforms excel in their specific niches and are invaluable when you need high-quality, specific types of content. Many professionals use a combination of general libraries and specialized tools depending on their project requirements. Here's how these different library types compare across key features. Free libraries contain over 100,000 models, while premium platforms offer over 1 million. Cost ranges from completely free to $500 or more per asset or library. Quality varies significantly in free options, but is consistently high in premium platforms. Free libraries work great for prototypes and learning projects. Premium options are designed for professional production work. Specialized tools contain smaller focused collections, typically 10,000 models or fewer, but they excel in their specific domains. Your choice depends on your project type, budget, and the specific assets you need. Most professionals use a combination of all three types. Now that you understand the landscape of 3D asset and model libraries, it's time to start creating. The best approach is to begin with free options to explore and discover your creative style without financial commitment. Once you know what you need and how you work, then invest in premium libraries that align with your specific workflow. Different projects will require different resources, so don't feel locked into one platform. Experiment, explore, and find the combination of libraries that helps you create your best work. Whether you're building games, creating animations, or designing architectural visualizations, there's a library out there that will accelerate your workflow. Start exploring today and unlock your 3D creative potential.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.